Good Monday. I'm Chris Folk. This is Monday Morning Jolt. Let's get started. Sharona.
Good morning. Today with us is Marc Jernigan. We go a long ways back from our small business development days. And Marc is a very funny guy, so hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. Marc, what is the story about this five-leaf clover?
My five-leaf clover. Well, you know, the five-leaf clover, it involved, unfortunately, copious amounts of beer. A long, hard day's work and a lot of beer resulted in a golf cart accident, which almost cost us the five-leaf clover, which was found when the golf cart ran out of gas. And we were also out of beer.
Yeah.
So anyhow, we find a five-leaf clover, and the night just turned out to be a really nice night.
Oh,
How's that?
So it was lucky.
It was a lucky
it was
clover.
lucky clover.
Absolutely
So,
lucky.
anyways, professionally, Marc does mostly like the tax and accounting matters, right? Explain us like why is your firm or you are different from your competitors like when it comes to your field?
Okay. We are a certified public accounting practice, and what we do is we work with small business owners and individuals, and we do tax returns, financial statements, normal CPA type stuff. What sets us apart is we are taxpayer representatives. We are accredited to represent taxpayers before the Internal Revenue Service and various taxing authorities. And what we do is we help people work out their tax problems. So I kind of have two different types of clients. I have your normal, standard, regular old client, which would be an individual or a business. And then I have corporations that have problems, and we help them as well. So that's kind of our niche.
But is it true that sometimes when they come crying to you?
Yeah, I'm in an emotional business. And
The
if
federal government is after you, you come crying.
Yeah, you know, I have an email right now from a client this morning that the revenue officer from the Internal Revenue Service showed up at his house this morning. So, you know, it's somewhat of a stressful experience, and people do cry and break down, and yeah, you know, that's not a bad thing though, because if I can actually help the client, we have a strong emotional connection then, and a lot of loyalty. One of the things we use in the office is we're the Hotel California. Clients check in and they never leave.
Oh, that's interesting. You better explain how they never leave though.
Well, they never leave because they're loyal and happy.
There you go. As you know, this is Monday Morning Jolt. So we focus on getting your week started, how you do that. And first of all, we want to know why Mondays are great for you.
Mondays are great because we get to make money again. That's a fantastic thing. I show up every Monday morning, I have projects in my office, I have tasks that I have to do, and I have billable hours, and that's a great thing about Monday morning. I get to help people and make money at the same time. Sounds like a perfect marriage.
Is there anything that you do to start your week, or do you start at Sunday night by planning? What do you do to get
No. The first things I do in the morning, my iPhone wakes me up, I check my email, check Facebook, and that's how I get motivated every morning. Usually Sharona has some sort of positive message posted.
Mr. Facebook, Mr. Social media.
You bet.
But so Marc, you know, you have been doing this for some time now. Your business. What kind of advice can you give to other people? Like, you know, I know you start your Monday great. What kind of advice can you give the other businesses or people who are listening in?
You know, I think 90% of life is showing up. Just show up. That's all you have to do. Just be stupid enough to keep showing up. And if you show up every day and you do what you're supposed to do, good things happen. I don't have more than that. I don't have much more secret than keep showing up. I don't know, I'm just dumb, I guess.
So show up.
Show up. Just keep showing up. Until they tell you to go home.
What do you have an advantage? An adage or something by which it guides your business and your personal life?
Not my business, more my personal life. This is going to be a little bit more of it, but at the end of our life, I don't want to look back and I don't want to regret things. So I have tried to leave my life with no regrets. Whether it be whether I'm representing a client or working with an individual or trying to take care of a large problem, I try and sit back and I think about things and I try and not regret what I do. And that's kind of what my attitude is. I just don't want any regrets. How's that?
So the Frank Sinatra
Is that what it is? You know, I don't know.
Regrets, I've had a few.
Yeah, no.
And if
Trying
you
to avoid 'em.
had one superpower, if you could pick one superpower and do anything, what would that superpower be?
X-ray vision.
X-ray vision. The comic books, you buy the glasses.
Yeah, X-ray. No, I really never thought about that. The ability to fly would be cool. I don't know. I don't know. The X-ray vision. I'm gonna go with X-ray vision.
Okay.
It's your
My
superpower.
Excellent.
You can pick it.
Excellent.
Now, tell us something about you that people that know you well, that are even close to you, don't know about you, that would surprise everyone.
I'm extraordinarily stubborn, and I hate to lose.
And they don't know that about you? You keep
Well, it doesn't show because when you talk to Mark, you will not know that he has that quality in him.
You don't know that I've dug my heels and
Yeah.
I have become resolute. I try and deflect
The
that.
more you associate with him, you will know that he's always going for the win.
That's it. There's nothing else. I don't. Now, hold on. I'm not the Tea Party. I believe in compromise. I don't believe everybody can win, and not everybody has to lose for someone to win. I don't believe they're mutually exclusive.
Wow.
So I sometimes think that we can all win, and that's a good thing. I'm always working for that, but it doesn't always happen. Many times somebody has to lose.
What is your theme song, Mark, if you had to pick a song? Like
Yeah,
that says,
theme
like,
song.
this is my life.
Don't just Frank Sinatra's regrets. I've had a few.
No. It'll be some sort of horrible hair band from the 80s. It'll be something like Motley Crue's Kickstart My Heart, or a Poison song, or Bon Jovi.
I will not go quietly. How about that?
No, it'd be more like Raise Your Hands, or yeah, a lot of music. But I don't
hair,
like.
it's gotta have hair.
It's
Hairband.
and it's gonna have to get you going. Yeah, as a triathlete, I've spent a lot of time on the road, and with earbuds in. And Def Leppard always goes well. Poison typically goes well. It's got to be simple, nothing like Frank Sinatra, because you just can't get going to that.
See, I mean, I have known Mark for quite some time now. I did not know that he was a triathlete.
Yeah.
See, that's something not many people
I'm in
know
hibernation
about.
right now because
Yeah.
I have a 5-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 12-year-old, and they don't allow much time to train. So I'm in hibernation. But
But you're too busy chasing them and getting exercise.
yeah, well, I've done the Chicago Triathlon at the Accenture Triathlon in Chicago. I've done the Warsaw Triathlon. I've done there's a few. There's a group of them. I've done a half
You're
dozen.
making me tired.
It's
Yeah.
It's fun.
So the most important thing, how do people get hold of you to do business with you?
Oh, TaxMattersSolutions.com,
Okay, and
Facebook, LinkedIn,
But it's-
Lima Road. We're right on Lima Road.
And then what's your phone number? What phone number do you?
260-489-0818.
And you also have an 800 number, right?
We do. 877-489-8999.
So we would like to thank Mark for coming and joining us today.
Thank you,
And,
Sharon.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's been so much
you,
fun.
the audience, for listening in. This is Monday Morning Jolt. Use it.